Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best golf cart lights is probably one of the most exciting ways to add a festive and personalized touch to your golf cart, especially during the holiday season, transforming it into a dazzling spectacle that will surely turn heads and spread cheer wherever you go, making every ride a memorable and visually stunning experience for you and everyone around. Number 5. Twinkle Star 100 LED Star String Lights. Introducing the Twinkle Star 100 LED Star String Lights, perfect for adding a warm, festive glow to any occasion. These lights are designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making them incredibly versatile. Specifically designed for Ramadan, these waterproof star string lights create a sacred ambience. With 8 different modes, they can withstand 30 nights of celebration, offering an energy-saving and shatterproof lighting solution. Crafted with high-quality plastic, these 100 LED star-shaped lights operate on a safe 30V low voltage. They are UL 588 certified, ensuring safety for all your decorative needs. Need more lights? These are extendable, allowing you to connect up to 10 chains for a total of 1000 LEDs. This feature makes them ideal for larger spaces and more elaborate decorations. Featuring IP44 waterproof wires and bulbs, these updated star string lights are built to last. They are also energy-saving, providing prolonged service time while reducing electricity consumption. Choose from 8 distinct lighting modes to perfectly match any mood, occasion, or holiday. Whether it's a party, wedding, or just a cozy night in, there's a setting for everyone. From bedrooms and gardens to commercial buildings and festivals, these lights are suitable for a wide range of applications. They are perfect for Christmas, parties, weddings, and everyday home decor. What we like. This offers a generous 33 feet of warm white star-shaped lights, perfect for creating a magical ambience. Its IP44 waterproof rating means you can confidently use it indoors or outdoors, and the extendable design allows you to connect multiple strands for larger displays. If you're looking for versatile, safe, and expandable lighting for holidays or parties, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. These lights are super bright and have multiple modes, including a steady-on option which is great for parades. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several hours on a single charge. They were easy to install and fit perfectly around the golf cart canopy. Number 4. BEBRANT LED Rope Lights Battery Operated. Transform your space with these versatile LED rope lights. Easily set the mood with multiple lighting modes and brightness levels, all controlled by a convenient remote. Crafted with a durable, flexible tube, these lights are designed to withstand outdoor use. They are easy to shape and won't tangle, making them perfect for parties, camping, or weddings. Don't let the weather stop the fun. The LED string is waterproof, and the battery case is splash-proof, ensuring reliable performance even on rainy days. Powered by batteries, these lights offer ultimate portability. Decorate any area without being tied to an outlet, and easily refresh the power when needed. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. If you have any questions, our customer service team will respond and resolve your issue within 24 hours. What we like. These 40-feet multicolor LED rope lights are battery-operated, offering ultimate portability and flexibility in placement. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures durability even in wet conditions, and the included remote control allows for easy mode and brightness adjustments. If you need lights that can be placed anywhere without worrying about outlets, and want convenient control, these are ideal for parties or garden decorations. What people say. These lights are very bright and add a festive touch to the golf cart. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Installation was a breeze, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. Number 3. Twinkle Star 2-Pack Solar Christmas Lights. Add a soft, festive glow to your outdoor spaces with these brilliant solar-powered string lights. Their flexible wire design allows you to easily create beautiful shapes, enhancing your holiday and party decorations year-round. Choose from 8 enchanting lighting modes to set the perfect mood for any occasion. With a convenient memory function, your chosen setting is automatically saved, so you don't have to reset them each time. These lights are powered by the sun, charging fully in direct sunlight for bright illumination all night long. They automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, providing hassle-free, beautiful lighting. Crafted from durable, weatherproof plastic, these lights are designed for outdoor use. They can bravely face rain, snow, and frost, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. Perfect for Christmas, parties, weddings, and more, these versatile lights can be wound around plants, furniture, or signs. They are ideal for creating a magical atmosphere in your patio, garden, or backyard. Featuring a total of 240 super bright LEDs across 2 strands, these lights offer a stunning visual display. Their long-lasting battery ensures they shine brightly for up to 14 hours on a full charge. What we like. Harness the power of the sun with these 80-feet multicolor solar fairy lights. They are designed to automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, saving energy and hassle. The IP44 weatherproof construction makes them suitable for year-round outdoor use. If you want an eco-friendly, set it and forget it lighting solution for your patio or garden, these are perfect. What people say. These lights are super bright and have a great variety of colors. The battery life is impressive, lasting for over 8 hours on a single charge. Easy to install and they look fantastic on the golf cart. Number 2. Toodour 68.9 feet 200 LED battery Christmas lights. Introducing our new battery-operated string lights. With 200 vibrant LEDs, they bring a festive glow to any occasion. Simply power them with AA batteries and choose from 8 dazzling modes. Set it and forget it. These lights feature an automatic timer, staying on for 6 hours and off for 18. Plus, a memory function recalls your favorite setting, so no daily resets are needed. Don't let the weather dampen your spirits. These lights are waterproof and built to withstand rain and snow, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. Decorating is a breeze. Hang them anywhere you like, walls, trees, fences, or windows. They are ideal for Christmas, parties, weddings, and any celebration. Choose from a stunning multicolor display with 8 unique lighting effects. From gentle fades to dynamic flashes, create the perfect atmosphere for your event. With a total length of 68.9 feet, these lights provide ample coverage for your decorating needs. Illuminate large spaces with ease and create a magical ambience. What we like. This set boasts 200 multicolor LEDs spread across 68.9 feet, providing ample illumination for any celebration. The convenient auto timer function, 6 hours on, 18 hours off, saves energy and effort, and the memory chip ensures your favorite mode is remembered. If you want a long, vibrant string of lights with smart features for easy holiday decorating, this is a great option. What people say. The lights are very bright and have multiple color options. Easy to install and the battery life is surprisingly long. They look great on the golf cart and add a festive touch. Number 1. Christmas Golf Cart Decoration Kit. Get ready to spread Christmas cheer with this amazing decoration kit. It's designed to make your golf cart the star of any holiday event. This comprehensive set includes everything from reindeer antlers and festive balloons to sparkling lights and garlands. You'll have a complete look in no time. Each piece is thoughtfully sized to fit most golf carts and small vehicles perfectly. They ensure great visibility and a stunning appearance. Crafted from high-quality, reusable materials, these decorations are built to last through all your holiday celebrations. Enjoy the festive colors season after season. Setting up your holiday display is a breeze. You can easily install these decorations and let your creativity shine, making your car truly unique. Whether it's a golf cart parade, a neighborhood tour, or a holiday party, this kit is perfect for any festive occasion. Create unforgettable memories and capture amazing photos. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit specifically designed to transform your golf cart into a festive Christmas spectacle. It includes everything from antlers and a nose to balloons, snowflakes, garland, and a banner, all made from durable, reusable materials. If you're looking to make a statement in a holiday parade or neighborhood tour with minimal effort, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. The lights are bright and have multiple color options. Easy to install and connect to the golf cart battery. The remote control works well for changing modes and colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.